real cases before a real judge.
Plaintiff Tracy Cooper says although the defendant is her cousin, she's always been more like a sister, and they've done everything together. Tracy says she and the defendant even got arrested together for assaulting a teacher, and she's suing her today for an unpaid loan. Defendant Dolores McFadden admits that she and Tracy were extremely close. So close, in fact, that she cannot believe Tracy brought her to court today. Dolores insists she agreed to repay Tracy with her tax returns, but says she hasn't received her returns yet.
Start with you.
Well, Dolores is my heart. She's more of a sister and a best friend than a cousin. We grew up pretty much in the same house. We lived in a duplex. We have a very close-knit family. We've done everything together, from singing in the church choir to random trips to different states, to even going through a life-changing experience together. In 2009, Dolores was in an altercation with her sister in a Philadelphia public school where she was fighting a teacher. When I came into the building, my first instinct was, when you see your family in trouble, you protect your own. So I involved myself in that situation, pulling Dolores out of the situation. We were arrested together, ultimately convicted together, and received a felony on our records together.
Did you throw a blow?
You gonna ride for the cause too?
I did.
Oh, okay.
I did.
Well, you didn't just pull her off the situation.
It was
You committed assault and battery.
It was really bad. It was a male, and he was getting the best of
Really?
her. It was a male, and
So if you had pulled her back, you think he would have kept charging?
he charged me. That's why I swung back.
Oh, really?
But we were both at the time college students. We had very good jobs, and from the conviction, a lot of that went out the window. But we ultimately recovered.
A lot of what went out of the window?
I was in nursing school. Dolores was also pursuing her education at Penn State.
Did you serve time or something?
We didn't serve time.
How
but
did that
because
interfere with your nursing school?
you can't take certain exams in Pennsylvania. You can't take the nursing exam with a felony conviction. But after 2 years, after my 2-year probation was served, my drive was more so I just wanted to finish school. So I'm currently pursuing my degree in business management and accounting. So
Good luck to you. You want to give some background before we get to the specifics?
What she was saying was correct. We were very close. We grew up together, close family. Like sisters from a different mister. You couldn't get us apart. We go out together, party, everything, state to state, city to city. We were so close. I don't think we should be here today. We've been in court before, but we were never on different sides of the room. So that's why I'm just right. I'm just surprised.
Right. She did just tell us you were in court together on the same side of the room.
We were so close. I don't think we should be here today. We've been in court before, but we were never on different sides of the room. So that's why I'm just right. I'm just surprised.
She did just tell us you were in court together on the same side of the room.
Plaintiff Tracy Cooper says the defendant is her cousin, and she claims they were so close that they even got arrested together for assaulting a teacher.
Ma'am?
In February of 2011, a few days before my birthday, Dolores and I got together. We went out. At the time, I knew that she was going through a hardship. And as I said, we have a sisterly relationship. So I extended myself to her. I let her know if there's anything that I can do to make, your situation a little bit better, let me know. And at the time, she kind of waved it off like, I'll be fine. Don't worry about it. She dropped me off at home. And about 10 minutes later, I got a text message. And it said, Tracy, would you mind loaning me $1,500 plus? And it's a lot of money, but like I said, this is someone that's like a sister to me.
Did she tell you what it was for?
Well, we had already discussed her bills prior to getting the text message, so I know she had her car payments were very behind, as well as insurance. I thought about it, and because of our relationship, I didn't have a problem with giving her the money. So the next day, I sent her a text, and she came by, took me to the bank. We picked up the money. I also asked her to sign a promissory note, just because I need all my coins.
When did she agree to repay it?
Upon getting her settlement from her job or receiving her income tax.
When did you expect that to be, her income tax?
March of 2011.
All right. And you haven't received a dime yet?
Nothing.
Ma'am?
I didn't get my income tax check. I I'm still waiting on that.
Okay,
But
that's your
please,
only
Shawna,
defense?
don't let her think that she's a good girl. We party hard and we go hard. It's not what she's making it to be.
Well, after all the liquor and the partying and whatever you all do, she at least keeps $1,600 on hand to loan you.
I loaned her money too. I loaned her money on plenty of occasions. It might not have been $1,600.
Did she pay you back?
I don't know because I don't look for money.
You
back.
don't know if she paid you back?
Well,
you give out loans and don't keep up
if
with
I
what other
loan
people-
somebody money, maybe $20, $30, I'm not really expecting it back because
Okay.
I let you hold it because I have it.
All right, so you didn't loan it to her because you didn't expect it back. You follow me?
I wanted it
Listen to
back.
what you say. Let's go over it again. You loan people money, but you don't expect to get it back.
But
Does
I
that
wanted
make sense to you?
No, it don't.
Right, so okay. You want to try again? Something that makes sense?
Well, I've given her money on many occasions.
Given, right. But did she tell
But she
you this
could have
was a
given it
gift?
back.
You just said give, meaning gift. Did she tell you this was a gift?
No, she didn't.
All right. Why won't you pay her back if you know it's a loan? Because you haven't got your income tax? That's
Right.
the only reason? All
Yeah.
right. Well, when there's an agreement and there is no time frame specifically, then the law interprets that as a reasonable amount of time. And certainly if you gave her the impression that you were going to pay her with your income tax, that meant that she interpreted that reasonable time to certainly be within a few months. Judgment for the plaintiff, $1,600, even though there was no specific time because income tax returns can come at any point. The law interprets it as a reasonable amount of time, and certainly nearly a year, and you haven't paid her a dime, means you get your judgment. Judgment for the
you.
plaintiff.
All right, girls. We'll party hard later.
I don't think I'm mad about what happened that she sued me, but we're gonna go home and go to the bar after this probably.